back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been with me for a long time, I want to say hi again and thank you. So today I'm going to do a Joom and a Wish haul video. The things that I ordered for, I think these are the last packages that have arrived, so I'm going to do a review on them and then, you know, do what we normally do. So without further ado, I just go straight to the video. So the first package we have here, it's written I don't know, bag tea. So I thought these teas were done, but they are not. So okay, so this is the tea. I bought this from Wish. I don't remember buying this, but maybe they gave it to me as a gift, so I don't know. Yeah, because all the ones that I know I bought them, but I don't know about this one. So the next packet that I have is jewelries. Oh, it's this jewelry thing that I bought. It's for the hair. So when you have like braids on, you can just, it's like accessories for the hair. So this is how they look. I don't know, it has, yeah, so it's cute. I love it. So the next package that I have is here. It says makeup foundation. I don't know which one this is, but we're going to see. Oh, okay, it's the Fenty Beauty. This one is in 330. Yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna open them and then show it to you guys. So this is the foundation. I remember I bought 3, 1 for myself and 2 for my friends, and this one is in 330. So yeah, so I got 2. Next package that I have is here. It says sweater. Today I don't have much Joom stuffs and Wish stuffs, just a few, the last ones that have arrived. So yeah, it's, oh, nice. And as always, I'll put the things here, the price and the name of the item, so that in case you wish to get it, you can get it. So this is how it looks. Let me see. This is how the sweater looks. So it's kind of summer sweater. It thinks really a lot. It's things like I don't know, something old, I can't tell, but I need to wash this really well, like 2 times or 3 times before I can use it. So let's go on to the next package. The next package, it says I don't know, it doesn't have a name. Let's see. Oh, it's, oh, I can't read it. This is the product. It's like a concealer, but like a very, very small, cute concealer, like a gift box concealer. So wow, it's extremely small. This is how it looks. It's extremely small. This is how it looks. And it's 4.5 liters, so it's not that much. And it has like a cute small applicator. Very cute. So like the small. So I think it's good for traveling, in case like when you get to the airport and you're not supposed to exceed some amount of liquid or whatever, you can just take this one. So I think it's a very, very good idea. So we have the last big one, this one. So that's the last one, and we'll be done with this haul. Very small, very bad. I've opened it already. I know what it is, but I've not opened the palette because it's like a makeup palette. I've not opened it to see. So yeah, it's very, very cute. I'm going to, oh my god, it's broken as always. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how to show it to you guys because I don't want it spreading everywhere. Oh god. Oh, so this is it. They all came broken, like 3 or 4 of them are broken. Yeah, so that's very bad. I don't know how to fix it because I can see that some of the pigments are very, very good, especially there's a red color in it and it's very, very powdery. This is the red shade that is in the palette, and I'm going to just apply it here. And look at how pigmented it is. Oh my god, I'm so sad. I'm going to take one of the colors also. The next one is like a very brown. Wow, that one is very, very buttery. It feels creamy. I'm going to put it here. That's the shade. And look at it. So the palette is very, very good, and there's a lot of pigments in the colors. I'm gonna try one of the, there's a pink one also. That one is also very creamy, and that's it. So I think the pigments is good, is there, but the sad thing is that it came broken, because if it hadn't come broken, I'll be so excited to use it for my makeup. But yeah, I'm so sad. So yeah, we've come to the end of our Joom haul. This is the last items that I got. There's some that did not arrive, so I asked for a refund, and yeah, I'm going to order more stuff, and I hope I'll review them and show it to you guys before I give it out, because it's sort of like Christmas gifts to some of my friends. So yeah, thank you for staying, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe